So now we can take it up ahead. Dr. Supriya,
Yes.
just take them what cohort therapy is, because
Yeah.
and then I will take it up ahead with the benefits. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll start with the benefit because I've covered up all aspects of cohort therapy, what it is and all.
So let me take it up the benefits. Okay, over
Okay.
here. जैसे अभी डॉक्टर सुप्रिया ने आपको बोला है what cohort therapy is all about. Okay, cohort therapy when we say it's a combination, जहाँ पे combination आता है तो it is not only linked with blood, it's also connected with water. वाटर के साथ नेचुरल न्यूट्रिएंट्स के साथ आयुर्वेदा. आयुर्वेदा जो हमारे किचन में चीजें अवेलेबल है. Everything is available in your kitchen right from the time we are born. Whether I talk about jeera, cumin seeds, whether I talk about garlic, whether I talk about ginger. So this is available from our childhood, we have been seeing, and Ayurveda is there since ancient times. People have been practicing and they have seen the results. पहले अदरक दादी माँ, जैसे हम बोलते थे सर पेट में दर्द होता था या ब्लोटिंग होती थी, दादी माँ हमको कहती थी प्लीज हैव अदरक या जूस ले लो. किसी को सर्दी खांसी बुखार हो जाता था तो हमको बोला जाता था आप तुलसी ले लो अदरक जूस के साथ. एंड स्टिल मेनी पीपल डू प्रैक्टिस. Okay, so Koha therapy, it's based on that. When we say natural cure includes 4 elements: blood, water, natural nutrients and the Ayurveda. जहाँ पे हम बोलते हैं immunotherapy, immunotherapy is nothing but linked with your water. तो हम क्या करते हैं, immunotherapy के थ्रू हम आपकी immunity बढ़ाते हैं. Then comes modern medical science. Modern medical science जो हम लेते हैं, it is only for the support. अगर कोई patient मेरे पास आता है, I should know the disease ताकि मैं उसको proper cure कर सकूं. अगर उनकी reports 2 साल पुरानी है, every time the patient's reports changes, तो we ask them to get the recent reports. That is where we take only the help of modern medical science so that we know the disease. What does Koha therapy does? It balances as per your human blood group. अगर समझो मेरा B positive है, B positive में if I am eating wheat, मैं अगर गेहूं खाती हूँ तो मुझे आज तो पचने की क्षमता है because my metabolism is good. I'm at a young age, but as soon as I grow old, it will start throwing tantrums to my body. Tantrums in the body in the sense, हो सकता है मेरे को डायबिटिक होवे, हो सकता है मेरे को ब्लड प्रेशर होवे, हो सकता है मेरे को स्किन रैशेस होवे, हो सकता है मेरे को हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम होवे, क्योंकि वो फूड जो हमारे बॉडी में सूट नहीं करता है. मेटाबॉलिज्म यंग एज में अच्छा होने के खातिर वो क्या करता है, बॉडी लेके उसको सीक्रेट करती है, तो इट डजंट गिव्स अस एनी बेनिफिट. आप ले तो लेते हो बट इट डजंट गिव्स यू इवन नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट तभी. बट जैसे आप ग्रो करते हो वो इफेक्ट आना चालू करता है, वो बॉडी में दिखना चालू करता है. सो व्हेन वी से कि हम पेशेंट को ब्लड ग्रुप डाइट करते हैं क्योंकि उनकी वो क्षमता है, दैट इज वेयर डॉक्टर पीटर एडामो इज टॉकिंग अबाउट. पीटर एडामो क्या बोलते हैं, अगर आप इफ यू ईट फूड राइट एज पर योर ब्लड ग्रुप, you get maximum nutrients in your body. The absorption of your blood cells becomes more healthier and it becomes easier. For an example, A positive में they should not be eating coconut. मगर कोई बोलेगा पेशेंट आपको, मैं तो चाइल्डहुड से कोकोनट पानी पीता हूं, मेरे को अभी तक तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया है. यंग एज मेटाबॉलिज्म इज गुड, तो उसको प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया है. बट as soon as he grows, the problem starts reflecting in the system. तो उसको क्या होगा, हो सकता है उसको एसिडिटी फॉर्म होती हो, उसको नहीं मालूम होगा. So that is where your blood group, human blood group is more important. We say cohort therapy is a holistic approach. Holistic approach means what? It cures anything top from your head till your toe, except two diseases जिसका हमारे पास इलाज नहीं है. One is doubt, second is death. Now if I talk about the benefits, जैसे इसके कॉम्बिनेशन के ऊपर ये काम करती है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली हम बोलते हैं वी क्योर विदाउट मेडिसिन एंड विदाउट सर्जरी. क्यों? क्योंकि इकोनॉमिकल भी बंदा अगर हमारे पास आता है, who cannot afford at all, बट उसके पास घर पे आयुर्वेदा तो रहता ही है. किचन तो सबके पास लहसुन, गार्लिक, जिंजर या फिर पुदीना, कोतमीर रहते ही हैं. सो व्हाट वी डू, वी ट्रीट देम naturally. So it is cure without medicine and surgery. When we say we are curing a patient without medicine and surgery, we are saying it's a permanent cure for lifetime. Permanent cure in the sense जब भी आप एक बार अपने बॉडी के हिसाब से आप मिनरल्स डालोगे, आप अपने बॉडी के हिसाब से न्यूट्रिएंट्स डालोगे, तो 100% डिजीज अटैक करना इम्पॉसिबल होता है, क्योंकि आप अपने इम्यूनिटी के ऊपर काम करते हो. अभी जैसे फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल कोरोना चल रहा है, अगर आप अपना पानी को बैलेंस्ड करते हो, you will not face a problem of corona disease. Whereas your water is not balanced and your system itself is an acidic system, so automatically such diseases come and attack us. Then we say it's a time bound cure therapy. We give you the time bound. We say you, if in case you are going this way, it will take this much amount of time. If you are going with this combination, it will take you this much amount of time. So when we are saying a person is without surgery, obviously the charges would be negligible. So it becomes economical for any common man. If a person has a diabetic, a person has a blood pressure, a person has a heart problem, he has to go to 3 separate doctors to take their advices. But cohort therapy mein, we say only one therapist is self-sufficient to treat all the patients. I don't need separate therapists to train them. You get any case, we will tell you what the solution can be. So here, only one therapist, person has to go to only one therapist, not to 10 different places. And our therapy is based on a renowned scholars of the world. That is Dr. Peter Adamo, Dr. Linus Pauling, Dr. Vishwasarup, and Ayurvedic nutrition. These are the 4 natural cure where it is supporting our therapy. Any questions till now here? किसी को यहाँ पे कुछ questions?
Excuse me.
Yes, madam.
Hello,
Yeah.
am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay, so like you said, if a person is having some coconut water and might face acidity, so
Yes.
is it like really prominent in every case, or is it something like if you do something against your blood type, it is
That
prominent
is,
to
yes,
happen?
it is against, see, it is against your blood type when you are doing it. What happens? Today, you may be taking it because you are young, okay? You may
Mhm.
not get an effect, but as soon as you start crossing 40, for the ladies, the menopause ages changes that time. Or for a
Right.
man, the hormonal balance changes after the age of 50. So there the results, there the diseases starts getting forming it.
Okay. Okay.
Or
Thank you.
could be at a very young age even. A patient may say, okay, whenever I'm eating this, this is causing me irritation.
Mhm. Okay.
Some of them, they will tell you directly because it is linked to their blood group somewhere or the other, which is not suiting them.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you. Any questions? Hanji, Richa. Yeah, Richa.
Ma'am, I just want to ask, will we get the study material?
It is already been sent in the group. मैं फिर से वापस से forward करती हूँ. We have already sent it in the group.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
We have sent distribution file.
Okay, ma'am.
It's everything.
Yes, we have already sent it. हाँ.
भूमिका जी कुछ पूछना है? हेलो भूमिका.
हाँ जी भूमिका. Yes, Dr. Bhumika. Richa, any questions besides this? Dr.
Rakesh-
Bhumika.
Rakesh,
Yes. Yeah, Dr. Samreen. Yeah, Dr. Samreen.
Yeah, Meenal, I have a question. Like, if a person has a multiple disease, like a
Yes.
hypertension, diabetes, hypothyroidism, like
Yeah.
that, so
Yeah,
how
yeah.
can that be treated? I mean, that becomes difficult because every I
No,
have read that.
It is not difficult. We will when we start working on the counseling, I will ask you to get this case and I will discuss how we can treat them.
Sure, sure. Yeah.
So be ready with that all cases you have. If in case could be an hypothetical case also you can take.
Yeah.
So we can discuss on the hypothetical case also. Okay. Where we discuss all the permutation combination of the disease.
All right,
That's-
we can do that. Yeah.
That's
We will
why
show.
for this only one single therapist is required and no cardiologist and nephrologist and urologist. So many branches are there. So
Uh-huh.
many are not required. Just single person is able to handle all aspects of the disease.
Okay, that would be great.
We
Yeah.
can, and we have the senior buddy. You have a senior buddy with you. If in
Okay.
case your senior buddy is not able to, not able to guide you, not able to help you, we have the therapists available on our website also. We have our founder, Dr. Mr. Pradeep Kohar, who is directly available any of the time to any of the therapists.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Dr. Umesh.
Yeah, just one question I have.
Yeah.
So actually, like today we are in today's world, what we're living, like there are 4 to 5 people or maybe 6 people in a family, correct?
Yeah.
So if they are like they are almost of different groups or some 1 or 2 are the same groups, correct?
See, अभी मैं आपको ये बताती हूँ, मेरे घर पे 14 जन साथ में रहते हैं सर. उसमें O पॉजिटिव भी है, A पॉजिटिव भी है, B पॉजिटिव भी है. तो हम क्या करते हैं, देखो 14 जन साथ में है, जॉइंट फैमिली है, तो एक डिश तो नहीं बनेगी, 3-4 डिशेस, 2 डिशेस.
That's what I was having the question.
Then what
did-
happens? Yes, then what happens? तो उसमें क्या होता है, समझो A पॉजिटिव और B पॉजिटिव में लगभग ऑलमोस्ट सेम थिंग्स आर सिमिलर. ओके, इट गोज हैंड इन हैंड समवेयर और दी अदर. तो वो खाना आप बना सकते हो जो ए भी खा सकता है, बी भी खा सकता है. जैसे ओ है, ओ का एक ही चीज वैसे है जो वो खा सकता है, दैट इज स्प्राउट. whereas A cannot have sprout nor can B sprout.
So is there any common
Okay.
dish menu or a prescription that all blood group can eat? ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
नो ऐसा कुछ नहीं. अगर आप देखो, अगर एक बार आपको मालूम पड़ेगा ना, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आप खुद ही परमिटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन में लग जाओगे और आपको मालूम पड़ेगा मेरे को ये नहीं ये बनाना है, क्योंकि ये सबके ब्लड ग्रुप के हिसाब से जाता है. और अगर कोई चीज ऐसे बन भी जाती है ना, तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, वो बंदा नहीं खाता है. तो
So out of your experience or from the cohort part, like can you share like a common diet plan for all blood groups? ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
कॉमन ब्लड ग्रुप डाइट मैंने नहीं बनाया है, बट आई नो
हाँ.
स्पेसिफिक थिंग्स जो हम ए और बी में बहुत चीजें कॉमन है, जैसे नहीं खाने क्या है, पीनट्स फॉर एन एग्जांपल. ओके, पीनट्स है ए और बी में सूट करता ही नहीं है. सो वी आस्क देम नॉट टू प्रिपेयर एनीथिंग व्हिच इज लिंक्ड टू पीनट्स. और से फॉर एन एग्जांपल कोकोनट, लैटिन्स, तो काफी सारी चीजें कॉमन है उसमें देखा जाए तो। रेडिश, तो हम बोलते हैं उनको पेशेंट्स को वैसे भी आप लोगों को चीज नहीं खानी है, अलाउड है तो ओ पॉजिटिव को स्प्राउट्स अलाउड है, मगर ए बी को अलाउड नहीं है। तो वंस इन अ वाइल इफ इन केस दे प्रिपेयर ऑल्सो, जैसे पोटैटो इज अलाउड फॉर बी पॉजिटिव, ए पॉजिटिव इट इज नॉट अलाउड, तो देन दे मेक अ कॉम्बिनेशन, भाई चलो बाबा आज हम इसकी पसंद की बनाएंगे और इसकी पसंद की ये बनाएंगे। They work on that platform. Dr. Sona can also tell you about it. Yes, Dr. Sona, what do you say? Dr. Sona?
Yeah. Actually, unmuting myself. Basically, as he's saying, एक ही चीज सबके लिए it is not going to work because we are into a kind of therapy. Every body differs. Dr. Ramesh state में है या इवन आप अगर वेलनेस स्टेट में है, सो दैट आप डिजीज स्टेट में ना जाओ, इसलिए यू हैव टू मेंटेन सम थिंग्स। तो अगर आप ब्लड ग्रुप दैट कर रहे हो, वी कैन नॉट क्रिएट अ कॉमन थिंग फॉर एवरीबॉडी। डेफिनेटली द डूज एंड डोंट्स कैन बी चक्ड आउट, बट अगर आप चाहो कि सबके लिए एक ही चीज प्रिपेयर करा जाए, तो रिमेंबर द रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ एवरीबडी इवन इन द सेम फैमिली इज बेस्ड ऑन देयर एज, on their lifestyle, on their body requirements, ये सारी चीजों के हिसाब से। तो being in a field where we are here to customize or personalize your treatments, I will not actually say कि एक common platform सबके लिए बनाया जाए। I do not say this. Yes, you have to be choosy because that kind of food is going to really affect your body. तो if you are going by the blood group, तो definitely do's and don'ts तो हमको consider करना ही पड़ेगा।
Okay, so Dr. Supriya, you can start now.
Yeah. हेलो, आप जरा वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फाइल दिखाएंगे?
हाँ जी yes yeah
या जरा वाटर थेरेपी में जाते हैं।
Coa therapy, this is what it is about.
I'll consider okay। आज मैं थोड़ा सा चालू करती हूँ फॉर्म के बारे में। When patient comes, you have to take, can you make it little up the form, counseling form? Yeah. So this you can see, everyone. Whenever patient comes to you, you have to take the details of the name, then the contact number so that you can follow that patient. It's the patient's age, then sex, and while taking the details, don't forget to take blood group of that patient. So based on, because our therapy, first aspect is blood group, and then this water therapy, and then the mirrors. So first thing you have to mention is blood group in that form. And when the patient is referred, then what he has come for what, then suppose it is for diabetes. So what he's suffering from when, then what is his sugar level, and what treatment he is taking right now. And you can take all his details so that we can advise the patient based on Koha therapy supplements. So this is a form where you have to mention their age, weight to find out the BMI. So we can advise him to reduce the weight, because whenever the weight increases, it is a one after the other diseases starts sticking to the body. So that's why it is other diseases to enter. It is better to advise the patient to weight maintain करने के लिए बोलना चाहिए।
1 second over here, ma'am. 1 second, okay.
Yeah.
When we do the counseling part, you know, we have to see that we do in chronological order. Okay, chronological order in the sense, what are the disease that person has suffered from, what are all the reports available with it. and then come with the current problem what he or she is facing. ओके यहाँ पे जेंडर हमारे लिए काफी मैटर करता है. क्यों? हॉर्मोन्स ऑफ लेडीज आर डिफरेंट, हॉर्मोन्स ऑफ मेल्स आर डिफरेंट. तो यहाँ पे जेंडर क्या करता है हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट रोल क्यों करता है? बिकॉज जहाँ पे मेंस्ट्रुएशन साइकिल होता है, व्हेन दे गो इनटू द मेनोपॉज, दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स स्टार्ट्स हैपनिंग इनटू अ लेडीज माइंड्स. मूड स्विंग्स होता है, यू नो, टैंट्रम्स होता है, किसी को स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, किसी को बीपी की प्रॉब्लम होती है. सो दिस इज द टाइम विच इज मोर क्रूशियल, and the young age when the hormones change again at the age of 12-13, puberty age. Plus uske baad the age where she delivers a baby. Same thing goes with the gender of a male. Male also, they have a puberty age, but female may have at the age of 12 to 14. They may have at the same age or they may have a later part of it. And in ladies, the hormonal changes mostly happens after the age of 40. In male, it happens after the age of 50. यहाँ पे we find fibroids in the uterus. There they get prostate enlargement. Or either it is a reduction, it is any of it. जहाँ पे prostate enlargement होता है, वहाँ पे किडनी में इफेक्ट बहुत खराब तरीके से आता है, यूरिनेशन काफी प्रॉब्लम देता है. यहाँ पे फाइब्रॉइड्स बढ़ता है तो you tend to be, they may ask you to remove your uterus, or either it may go to bulgy uterus. Again they may ask you to remove the uterus. So counseling is very crucial for us when we do it for the patient. इसके लिए age plays a crucial role, gender plays a crucial role, so does height and weight. Height and weight किसके लिए? ताकि हम उसका body mass index देख सके. जहाँ पे हमें मालूम है कि इसका 50 kgs है and she is 5 feet, so it's okay. But if in case she is 5 feet and she is 70 kgs, that means she is obese. But if in case she is 60 kgs, we still say she is healthier, but still she is on a healthier, on a plumper side. But depending on the body, on the physique of a person, अगर उनकी टांगे लंबी है, so it automatically body आपको उसमें दिखेगा ही नहीं 60 kgs भी sometime. So it will vary per person to person. Accordingly to the disease, we ask you to put the estimation time. When we say it is without medicine and without surgery, we may ask a patient to take a supplements. Supplements in the sense to function their part which they are suffering from. We are not going to be asking them even immediately to stop their allopathy medicines. That is the reason we take the help of modern medical science. जहाँ पे हम उनको बोलेंगे कि प्लीज आप अपने डॉक्टर को बताओ कि मेरी अभी डायबिटिक ये होते जा रही है, तो व्हाट शुड आई डू? दो हम आपको बोलेंगे कि नाउ योर डायबिटिक मेडिसिन हैज टू बी रिड्यूस दिस मच एंड नाउ इट इज टू बी स्टॉप्ड. But they have to follow the lifestyle. Lifestyle in the sense what? The blood group diet. Lifestyle in the sense what? The natural minerals. Plus natural diet. Ayurveda, which has to be part of their daily intakes in one way or other. In case I prescribe some supplements, for an example, okay, that supplement will be only there till the time we are treating them. That is till the time their therapy goes on. After that, it is up to the patient what they want and how do they want. Supplement is not a medicinal. It's just a supplement to boost their energy, to clean their system, to detoxify. So that whatever is there, it starts healing, it starts curing on its own. So the important role over here of a counselor stands that when they take a counseling in a chronological order, you need to be taking everything into consideration. पेशेंट आपके पास, जैसे हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं तो डॉक्टर आपको पहला पूछता है ना क्या हो रहा है आपको. ही ऑलवेज आस्क्स यू, ऐसे कभी आपको पहले हुआ था क्या, आप पेपर्स लेके आए हो क्या, आर यू सफरिंग फ्रॉम एनी डिजीजेस, कैन यू शो अस द पेपर्स. सो यू हैव टू प्लेस इन योरसेल्फ. होम्योपैथ के पास भी आप जाते हो, होम्योपैथ भी आपको क्या करता है, हिस्ट्री लेता है ना. So we don't go into the depth of the history of the patient over here, but yes, to understand if in case this type of disease has he suffered prior or not. In the sense, a patient may have got admitted for gallbladder stone 10 years prior. That time his gallbladder may be removed, okay, or maybe he may have cured on its own, you know, and again it has appeared, for an example. और से फॉर अ किडनी स्टोन, किडनी स्टोन आप एक बार निकालते हो तो आपको फिर से ऑपरेशन घड़ी घड़ी करना होता है. हैज इन व्हेन द अकरेंस अकर. इट इज नॉट वन टाइम किडनी स्टोन्स निकल गया तो आपको कभी नहीं होगा. नो, इट विल अपीयर. सेम थिंग गोज विद बाईपास, सेम थिंग गोज विद एंजियोप्लास्टी. Anything, whatever you are removing from your system, it will come back again to you. Even same goes with the cyst. So what we try to do, we try to cure you naturally so that it doesn't comes back again to you. But after that, you have to see that you follow the same system of eating habits. अगर आज हमने आपको बोला कि आप ब्लड ग्रुप डाइट चालू करो, आप पेशेंट को चालू करता है, पेशेंट 3 months के बाद 6 months के बाद क्योर होके जाता है, बट आफ्टर दैट ही इज ईटिंग ऑल दैट व्हाट ही इज नॉट सपोज्ड टू ईट, अगेन ही इज गोइंग टू गेट दैट डिजीज. When we say permanent cure means a person has to follow. How does it matter then? Because it is for their benefit. And that too, you are eating what is available at your house, you are eating what is there, so how does it matter? But ये जब ये therapy हम चालू करते हैं, we ask patient to avoid oily food, जितना होता है oily नहीं खाना है, to avoid milk products because they are heavy in digestion. We ask not to take spices because then they tend to trigger the problem again, at least during the time of therapy. After that, we ask them to take as per their blood group only. In the sense, अगर उनके blood group में लिखा हुआ है कि that person can consume milk product, he is free to do that until unless उसको कुछ problem नहीं होता हो. जैसे मैंने आपको एग्जांपल मैंने अपना दिया है, मेरे को कर्ड सूट नहीं करती है, irrespective I am allowed to take as per my blood group. So here also it will happen that way only. So your thing should be treating a person but telling them what is the benefits, why you are saying them not to eat. When we discuss on blood group, that time we will take this into little bit detailing. There are certain characteristics which plays a crucial role when we say for a blood group diets. Is this clear? Any questions over here? यहाँ पे किसी को कोई क्वेश्चंस? यहाँ पे किसी को कुछ समझना है? Yes, anybody?
I had to ask this.
Yes.
How do we mention EST time? So when we are
EST
filling the
हाँ, EST time. See, once in the initial phase, we will be training you. You know, as your buddy is Rakesh. Rakesh आपको train करेगा. अगर वो समझो आपको उसको supplements नहीं समझ पे आता है. For an example, मैं आपको example दे रही हूँ. Don't take it कि उसको नहीं आता है. Okay? अगर समझो वो नहीं बता पाते हैं, तो हमारे daily session 2 to 3 में we discuss on cases. अब वो patient का case लेके आओगे, we will discuss. अगर समझो वो नहीं होता है, तो वी आर ऑल अवेलेबल एज अ सपोर्ट टीम. आप हमने नंबर्स डाले हुए हैं जो थेरेपिस्ट हमारे अवेलेबल हैं, हु आर ऑनरी ट्रेनर्स ऑन दी वेबसाइट. तो आप किसी को भी कनेक्ट करके पूछोगे ना कि मैडम मेरे को ये इनिशियल इश्यू आ रहा है, आप मेरे को गाइड कर सकते हो, सपोर्ट कर सकते हो, दे विल गाइड यू एंड विद दैट बेसिस दे विल टेल यू व्हाट इज द एस्टिमेशन टाइम.
all right, thank you so much.
Because we cannot tell you randomly that this disease will take this much time. Case to case, it will vary. Lot of
Right.
combination, permutation will vary, and then anybody will guide you accordingly.
Okay.
चाहे वो डॉक्टर सोना हो, डाइटिशियन हो, मैं हूँ, डॉक्टर आफरीन है, डॉक्टर सुप्रिया है, then Dr. Ashish Dubey is there, Mr. Pradeep Kohar is there, anybody, even the therapist, Mr. Harihar Agarwal है, आफाक भाई है, राकेश है, there are many available. So it is not one. आप किसी के भी touch base में आप therapist हो, so you have got right, you can connect with any of them, but you should know to whom are you connecting with, and that person should at least have some idea of it, so then you can message them, you know, and they will help you. Anything else? किसी को और सवाल? So let us wind up today. It is already 11:40. Okay. We will start the session tomorrow at 10:40. Dr. Supriya?
Yes, yes. Thank
Yes.
you, everybody. And if you have anything, you followed the form filling. So if you can fill the form, you can try. Okay.
So today's assignment is first and the foremost, tell me any 5 benefits tomorrow when we discuss any 5 benefits of Koha therapy. Okay, one is that. In case you can get any hypothetical case or real case tomorrow, fill up in that counseling form, then we can discuss also. Okay, हम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं उसमें, so that you can learn, you can understand, and you will know. Yeah, Neha? Yeah, Zeel madam?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. So you can get that hypothetical case आपको चाहिए, you can get tomorrow. You can fill up that counseling form which we have shared in the group. I will reshare it again with an assignment also.
Sure.
Yeah. Everyone have a nice day. Take care. May God bless you. Thank you.
And go through that distribution file.
कोहर हेल्थ सब्सक्राइब पे क्लिक कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाइए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए।